Guys, hello. Today I want to talk about something that for some reason keeps happening in this industry, and it's like videographers and how they market themselves, right? Content agencies and how they market themselves, but mainly videographers. And where this has become really, really interesting to me over the last like 8, 10 years is how much it hasn't changed. Like videographers are still doing this, and it doesn't make any sense, right? And your marketing as a videographer, as a video agency, should be 100% based on what you think your clients would resonate with, what you think they would watch and think, that's interesting. I should book Kevin in for a shoot so we can get that result too. Or, I haven't thought of doing that for our business. I should book Kevin in for a shoot so we can do that for us, right? That's all your marketing should be doing. You don't have to overcomplicate it. And where a lot of videographers are really going wrong is they're making content for either themselves or for other videographers. So they're posting content that is like behind the scenes and it's showing the fucking camera setup. Like, that's okay. That's like base okay, right? I'll allow you to have that. Where you're going wrong is you're talking about the fucking new lens that you bought. You're talking about the new camera you bought. You're fucking hell. You even put in your ISO and your aperture and your lighting setup in your posts. We're talking about that in your content. And it's like, who are you making content for? Are you someone who's just looking to recruit videographers? Like if I was still shooting in my own agency, that's the sort of shit that maybe I would post if I wanted to recruit people to teach them how to shoot better film. A, I don't do that. B, nor do you. So why the fuck are you posting content like that? You should only be like, your content should be specific to your avatar. And your avatar isn't videographers. It's not photographers. It's not DOPs. It's no one like that. So like when you do that, you're just farming likes. You're just fishing for likes. Likes don't pay the fucking bills. Likes do not pay the fucking bills. Like the idea that, like, think about it from a client's point of view, guys. Okay. You start working with some local business and you start making them regular content. What sort of content could you post that's going to nurture them enough to book more work in with you? That is fundamentally your marketing strategy. Like, I did a story about this morning, and it's like, plumbers don't fucking they don't do posts and they don't do stories talking about the new pipe they've bought, or how they've bought this shower that can do, or like this new plumbing thing they can do, right? Or like this metal pole that they've bought and it's now 8 mil thick instead of 6 mil thick. That's going to mean their job is a little bit easier because of X, Y, and Z. Like, if I'm following a plumbing account and he posts that sort of shit, I'm just not going to watch any more of his content because I'm going to get fucking bored because I'm not interested in pipes. Okay? Because I'm not a plumber. Look at it from a chippy point of view of the guys in the States, people who work with wood, right? Woodworkers. We call them chippies here, or carpenters. Think about it from their point of view. Like, I've got a friend, Will. He's a chippy, and he's got some of the best kit you can buy. Like, it's called Festal, I think. Like, if he was to post about Festal all the time, all these fucking sick drills and kit that he has, like, people who are hiring him to do chippy jobs, like, no one's gonna give a shit about the kit. They're just gonna think, can you do the job at a reasonable speed at a reasonable price? Yes, cool, let's do it. Oh, you're a bit more pricey than other people, but the quality of your work's a lot higher. But you can do it way faster than other people. But you're available more often, right? Like, what's your USP? What's making you attractive? That's what you talk about in the fucking content. You don't talk about the kit. The kit is irrelevant. You can start a multi-six-figure agency with a Canon 6D and a lens and some DJI lav mics. Like, your kit could be under 2.5K. And you could hit multi-six figures with that because you can just farm the results for people using video marketing to farm the results. Now, if you want to chase the whole fucking Cinemag DOP lifestyle, by all means, go for it. But just always know you are always going to be stuck as a day rate monkey. And there's no way you can ever escape that. You're always going to be charging a day rate, and you're always going to be relying on creative directors and producers to hire you. You have no control over your time or your budget. Now, personally, fuck that. I'd rather start my own video agency, do some social related stuff, pour my heart, my creativity into those shoots. Now, once you start making loads of money from the creative workflow, by all means, invest in an FX3, invest in a Red, get some fucking grand lenses and, make shit look insanely beautiful. You can do that, but that's something that you should do secondary to the results. Anyway, the reason I wanted to jump on here and kind of like have a bit of a pitch at you guys about this is because it's just, I can't believe that I'm still seeing this in 2025, videographers posting like this and thinking this is what they should be posting. Like, we need to move away the idea that just because one post got more likes than another means this is a banging post for our avatar. It doesn't mean that. The only thing our content and our marketing should be doing is helping us book calls and bring leads to our Instagram profile or website or whatever it is. Like, you don't need likes, you don't need comments. Sure, they can be a sign of engagement if they're well engaged, but look at who's engaging is the most important metric. Is it being liked by people like your ideal clients, or is it being liked by other people in the industry? Because if there's other people in the industry, guys, it's fucking pointless. It's fucking pointless. You're not there to serve or to impress the other guys with cameras. That's just your ego. That's just ego. And if you're wondering why your business isn't where it's at, it's because you're allowing your ego to dictate what you post, when you post, and how you post it. Anyway, rant over. Okay, Ben, I won't post fucking BTS shit anymore, or fucking Aperture or ISO or Apple camera kit, whatever it is. What should I post? You should post stuff. You should, the most amazing thing you can post day to day, providing you have it, is client testimonials. So talking about what you're like to work with and how much clients recommend you and how they would refer you and how they really enjoyed working with you. That's the thing you should post as much as you can. As soon as you get one, you post it and then fucking repost it. Use it evergreen. Don't post it every day, but post it as much as you can. That's the most high leverage, high converting piece of content you will ever have. So use it. Because people are going to think, oh, if Joey trusts Ben, maybe I should. If Joey got the results, maybe I will. Right? That's how you should be thinking about it. So testimonials, and then there's basically two frames you want to be doing. You want to be solving pain, and you want to be talking about desire. I didn't mean to give you the thing there. Sorry. Pain and desire. Pain's really easy to talk about, like why their company isn't probably getting as many leads or making as many sales as they'd like to. And there's two reasons for that. A, because they haven't got enough traffic, which you can solve via ads. And two, because they're not nurturing that traffic very well, which you can do via video, which is why the exact offer that I give you, we combine ads, something you don't know, with videography, something you know very well, and therefore they just piece together fundamentally, flawlessly. And then lastly, desire marketing. So talk about how your content, your offer, your videography can help them go from X to Y. It sells a transformation. It helped Johnny go from waiting on referrals to getting 3 to 4 new qualified leads per month. X, Y, and Z. Hope that helps, guys. I'm off at the gym now. Chest day. Love you all. See you soon.